How to fix camera not working on TikTok. In this video, I will show you how to fix camera not working on TikTok. First, open or launch the TikTok mobile application. After that, you will land on the homepage of the app, just like you can see here. Next, tap on the plus icon here, which is the post creation option. Once you do that, after that, this page will appear where you are being asked to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. Some mobile phones provide an easier shortcut to the settings or app info, just like you can see here. If you have this option, tap on it and you will land on the app info. If this option is not there for you, then don't worry, I will show you how to access the app info page. Exit the TikTok app. After that, look for the TikTok app mobile icon from the apps on the homepage. Next, long press on the icon, just like I have done. A section with several options will appear as you can see here. From the options, look for one with a similar icon to the one that appears here on my phone. This is the app info icon. Tap on it and you will land on the app info section of TikTok, where you will see various settings that you can change for the app. From the sections that are here, tap on this one named Permissions. After that, you will land on this page where you will see two sections. One is named Allowed, and it contains all the apps or features the app has access to. The other is named Not Allowed, and it contains all the features the app does not have access to. As you can see, the camera and microphone appear under the Not Allowed section. Tap on here, Camera. After that, this page will appear where there are three options. To allow it, tap on this one here named Allow only while using the app. Next, open the microphone settings too. Do the same thing here also and allow the app to have access to the microphone while using the app. The error will now disappear on TikTok. I hope this video has helped you. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix camera not working on TikTok.